Cloning a GitHub repository in Visual Studio allows you to create a local copy of the repository on your computer for development. Here's how to do it. Open Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio on your computer. Team Explorer. Open the Team Explorer panel. If you don't see it, go to View, Team Explorer. Clone a repository. In the Team Explorer panel, click Clone a repository. Repository URL. Copy the URL of the GitHub repository you want to clone. Paste URL. Paste the repository URL in the repository location field. Choose local path. Select the local directory where you want to clone the repository. This will be the folder where the repository's files will be stored on your computer. Clone. Click the clone button to start the cloning process. Authentication. If prompted, provide your GitHub credentials to authenticate. Repository cloned. Visual Studio will clone the repository to the selected local directory. Open project. Once the cloning is complete, you can open the clone project by clicking the Open button in the Team Explorer panel. Development. You can now work on the project locally, make changes and commit them. Syncing. Use the sync option in the Team Explorer to pull and push changes between your local copy and the remote repository. Branches. You can also switch between branches using the Branches option in the Team Explorer. Collaboration. If collaborating, create branches, make changes, and push them back to the remote repository using Visual Studio's Git integration. Version control. Visual Studio's integration with Git allows you to manage version control effectively within your IDE.